Hey guys, it's Drift Team Angle Factor here, and today we have an NRG seat review. Stay tuned for more. Alright, so let's get started. I have a sheet here so I don't miss any facts on this seat. So we have an NRG 300 series seat. Blue leather with white stitching, cloth sides, but the sides here in the bolsters have different material than the top. The sides are more soft. So for this seat specifically, we have side mounts that come with it. So these brackets are not directly bolt-on to any type of car, but they really do help with the mounting process. So when you make brackets, these just bolt right onto them. I'll insert better pictures here. Alright, the next main point on this seat is the fiberglass shell backing. So this seat, like most other seats, Sparco, Recaro, all the other top of the line seats, fiberglass shell, which is really good and it's very durable and sturdy when you're sitting in the seat. Like, you can shake around good. I really like it. Insert better clips here. And on top of the fiberglass shell, which brings us to the next topic, which is weight. This seat in total weighs 19.5 pounds, which is pretty light for all you weight weenies. So this seat is one size only. This seat fits me, 6'1", 240 pounds. Pretty snug, but it does fit. So keep that in mind when you're buying the seat. So the seat does not just come in the blue. I believe it also comes in red and then the black. So those are the three options in the 300 series. There's also another series that's about the same price, which we'll go over later, but that is a little slimmer style from the top, and that is just all one color. Alright, so the next point. This seat is compatible with 5-point harnesses. So in the bottom right here, in between the seats, there's a hole for another 5-point harness to come up in and over. Insert better clip here. So the 5-point harness is a very nice thing to have in all cars, because with 4-point harnesses, it's big controversy over if you slide out from underneath it. That's a whole other topic we can go over some other time. But I just prefer 5-point harness. Better safe than sorry. Now the next topic, which is pricing. So this seat I got for $200 and the shipping was $30. I got this off Car ID, which is cheaper than the manufacturer. Manufacturer, like on the NRG Innovation site, the seat is listed for $265. So if you go over to another website, you can get this. They're a certified dealer, way cheaper than there. 200 bucks, shell seat, very nice, keeps you sturdy while you're drifting. Overall, just a good seat. I think it's great. I would run this in my car. I am running this in my car actually. This is going in our blue hatch. Insert picture here. So yeah, overall, I highly recommend the seat if you're a budget drifter trying to get into the game. You always want a seat when you're driving at the track. You don't want to be flopping around and bracing your knees up against trying to get sturdy in your seat. So I would highly, highly recommend this. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Drift Team Angle Factor.